the system functions differently. 5 dancers have 5 weeks to show if they have what it takes to be crowned Dance Convicts champion. These are their stories. One rule: dance till it's freedom. The dancers have all been introduced to each other and are now getting a warm welcome from Officer Joy.
Right, you work with a bunch of criminals. Don't lie to me, boy. Now here's what we're going to do today. You've been here for 2 years. It's about time you earn your freedom. Don't you think? Answer when I'm speaking to you. Don't you think?
The attitude stinks. There's something about our owner that you like. And what's that? I think you could win this thing. I really do.
Do I think I can, mate? Yes. I've been winning since, man. Since I've been winning. Don't ask me.